all on the same page with how MyMathLab is going to work for our class. So once you're already in MyMathLab, when you log in, you probably should just see our one class. Maybe if you have used MyMathLab before, you might see some other classes, but this is our current class, Math 201, Distance 1, Summer 123. Big long name. Now your screen's going to look a little bit different. I'm logged in as an instructor, so you won't quite have as many options as I do on this left-hand bar. But just to kind of take you through, the same due dates that we've got posted in Moodle under that calendar feed and the upcoming events, and I've also got them on the home page, they are also going to be here. A lot of the same stuff's going to be here. Office hours, syllabus, all of that's going to be the same information that's on Moodle. It's also going to be here in MyMathLab, just for ease so you don't have to go back and forth so many times. What we really care about here is the homework. So we can see all of the assignments for the entire semester here, including the exam. So I know it says homework, but for us, that's going to be all the assignments that are in MyMathLab. And I'm just going to click on one here. You'll see on the left-hand side, these are the videos that will take you through the notes packet. The notes packet, as you know, you can download a copy straight from Moodle if you're going to use your tablet, or you can stop by my office, outside my office, and pick up your actual physical copy of the notes packet. And I've got another copy of it over here in MyMathLab. So lots of different places, but it's super important that you actually take the notes as if you were in class. This is the first step learning math, is writing it down. Just watching it really doesn't help us in the learning process. We actually have to write some stuff down. Some of the sections have more videos than others, but those videos do count as part of your grade. So you're definitely going to want to open them up. They are housed in YouTube, so you can turn on some closed captionings and that sort of thing. Once you watch it, it's going to turn to this green check mark. These green check marks says you completed that assignment. Over here, the actual questions we have to answer. And I just kind of want to walk through some of the options that we have in MyMathLab. So you can see here the 4 medias. These are the videos that I did, and our questions are coming down here. This one just has 7 questions. Again, it varies from section to section how many questions there are. We've got some help down here on the bottom of the screen. We can view an example. MyMathLab will take us through a similar problem step by step. Their system for solving a problem might be different than what I did. That doesn't mean any one way is right or wrong. It's actually really good that you have more than one way to work a problem. There are sometimes videos that go with this. These videos would be ones that MyMathLab has created. Sometimes, you know, they could be a little long, so you might have to fast forward or rewind or something to find the exact problem you're working on. And then in Get More Help, you have the Ask My Instructor feature. This will send me an email directly with your question number 1, because your question 1 is going to look different than other people's. They're going to have different numbers. So for me to see what's going on with you, this is the best way. You can type a message here to tell me, maybe for this problem, this is a sum. Maybe you can say, you know, I've got it set up and I know the sum is this, but I don't know how to find the number of terms. And I can email you back. It will come to the email that you have set up your account with. So you can see this goes to my coastal email. Whatever email you use to set up your MyMathLab account, that's where my response will be sent. Now I'm going to do a problem here that just has a couple parts to it. So if I check my answer, I might get it say that it's incorrect, and I'm going to get a hint. Maybe the hint's helpful, maybe it's not, but I can go again. For multiple choice questions like this, you either get 1 or 2 attempts before it says final check down here at the bottom. For open-ended questions, you could get 3 attempts. But let's do that final check. If I get it wrong, MyMathLab's going to tell me the right answer in hopes that maybe I can figure out what I did wrong. And all I have to do is hit similar question, and then I can rework their problem for full credit. I can work a problem as many times as I need to and get 100%. So you can keep working problems until you have 100 on all your homework. And so I tell people, give yourself time because you're going to want that good grade. This counts as 20% of your grade. That's 2-letter grades. So you want to make sure and have a really high grade for your MyMathLab. So give yourself time to work through all of these, maybe get some of them wrong, rework them, get some help on them, email me, and make sure that you have a good grade on all of this in MyMathLab.